Dealing with the Libimobiledevice Library DLL error in Libimobiledevice app. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's look at the engineering steps I've prepared to fix it. To start the walkthrough for Libimobiledevice Library, you can use my manual guide or the suggested resource for system optimization. This is the Libimobiledevice Library, a specialized library that allows Windows to communicate with iOS devices, iPhone, iPad, without iTunes. It manages the localized USB handshake and file transfer protocols. If missing, phone flashing tools or third-party backup utilities will report device not detected or a module load failure. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. A missing Libimobiledevice Library DLL usually suggests that a failed update removed a critical piece of the Libimobiledevice integration, so reinstalling the latest version of your software, where the error was shown, will automatically restore the library and update the registry links. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Libimobiledevice library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. From a cybersecurity perspective, I must warn you never to download files like Libimobiledevice Library DLL from unofficial repositories, as these are often bundled with malware that can compromise your system's data integrity. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. For users seeking improved system clarity, the diagnostic tool in the description references the Libimobiledevice Library environment. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for Libimobiledevice Library and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.